Hello guys, I and Srinivas carried out certain things which you have asked us for. Earlier we had certain number of top words related to each patent, but now we have the top words, the top n gram words related to patent. Here we can see that we have n grams from 3 to 5. That is the 3 words to 5 words. Uh, The flaws which I would like to point out here are that there are similar words appearing again and again, like this centrally within cylindrical steel is similar to centrally within cylinder. Like we would like to know how to approach this flaw, like whether to take the greater number, that is the number which has more number of words, or the feature which has less number of words. uh, yeah, and we also carried out n-grams with respect to 1 to 3. So this is the n-gram of 1 to 3. Here we can see that the features are repeating again, like post-tensioning, uh, load cell. Here it is again the load and the cell. So we what we thought is like this doesn't give any uh, influence on the patent, and what we thought is like uh, 3 to 5 grams are better rather than 1 to 3. Uh, yeah, and I also like to show you the visualization, TensorFlow visualization. Yeah, so this is the TensorFlow visualization which we have carried out. Uh, so we can see that the keywords are with respect to the n-grams, and these are the top keywords of that particular patent, and the nearest patents of that particular patent. We can also organize it with the assignees, like these are the nearest assignees to the patent. Uh, so these are the nearest assignees, and yeah, this is respect to the PCA which you had asked us for. Yeah, like we would like to know you how to proceed with this thing. What are the things which we need to carry out? Yeah, have a good one.